Hello mga kaibigan, kain na namin ang aming Noche Buena. What is in there, buddy? Oh, there's a spaghetti na hulog siguro. That's okay. Okay, no problem. I'll give you mine, okay?
What do you want, CJ?
What do you want, bud?
Here, Mom's
More?
gonna fix it.
Oh, you want the cake? We're gonna sing Papa Jesus first, a birthday. After eating. The cake is for after eating. Yeah. We're gonna eat first, and we're gonna do
Did you warm this or no?
What, babe?
You didn't warm it?
I warm it, but I don't think it's
Cold.
Mommy, that's the cake.
Yeah, that's the cake for Papa Jesus later.
That's not the cake.
We're gonna
That's
sing
a
it.
cupcake.
Cupcake, yeah.
That's a cupcake.
Yeah, that's a cupcake. Kain tayo mga kaibigan. Yan po ang aming Noche Buena.
Mommy, more?
You want what?
Mommy, more?
Oh, you want the ito?
Something like
Oh, okay. Ayan. What do you think, Goy? How is it? Good? Yummy?
good day.
Yummy?
A little bit hot.
I get you some napkins first. Say, kain tayo.
I'm tired.
Tayo.
Say, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Merry
Goy.
Christmas.
Daddy, Merry Christmas. Ayan. Merry ang Christmas. Kasama ang ating pamilya. Meron tayong well, Mama has a pancit here.
I got the salad.
Huh?
I got the salad.
Yeah, I've got fruit salad. Kuha ko ng pancit doon, hindi ko maabot. Oh, okay lang. Oh, dada gata pancit.
What is
Yan si Dada Kano, oh. Dada loves Filipino food.
Do you want some lemon? No. Lemon? Lemon? Lemon?
You want lemon?
Yeah, we have lemon.
You go.
Kain tayo mga kaibigan. Tuwang-tuwa ang mga bulilit natin sa ating handa sa birthday ni Papa Jesus. Pansit lang din akin. Here, bud. That's your lemon. Ano mo na yung lemon? Oops.
No, mommy, no.
Pigaan mo sa spaghetti? Ang spaghetti, para yung lemon na kalamansi natin para sa para sa ating pansit yan. Para sa pansit natin. More lemon? Okay, bigyan natin ng lemon si CJ.
More. I put salad.
That's the fruit salad, CJ.
Oh, salad.
Yeah, fruit salad. You want some more lemon here? Lemon is good. Okay, Daddy, you want lemon? Lemon si Uta?
I got one already.
Oh, you did. Okay. This is mine, CJ, for mine, okay? Mm.
No, not so much.
Not too much? Okay, not too much. This is for the macaroni salad, okay? For the macaroni salads. Yes. Gusto ko lagyan ng lemon. That's what you're gonna do, bud. Lemon on top of my, pansit, mga kaibigan, at spaghetti. Happy na? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Thank you, bud. Mmm. Yan ang pansip.
Ah.
Uy, Ben, hindi nag-pray, be. Lead the prayer, honey. Lead the prayer.
This is always to get back. No. No.
Oh, look at your face. Look at your face.
No. No. No.
Yung more? Oh. Dahil sa sayami, nakalimutan. Yummy, delicious.
Uh-oh.
Mmm. Thank you, CJ.
This is good.
It's yummy. So rough.
You like the Filipino spaghetti?
Yes.
She said, yep. She
Yes.
said, rough.
Very good. Mmm. It's okay. I just fixed it. Sarap yung maraming kalamansi ang ating pansit bihon. At kanton. Meron kami
Yeah.
prutas, macaroni, Italian pasta, pancit, at spaghetti, and then cake to blow.
Mosquitoes.
Yes, cake to blow after cooking.
No cupcake.
Mommy doesn't know difference between cake and cupcake.
Cake and cupcake. Cake, cupcake.
Will
Oh, one more? Oh,
You gotta teach her, Christiana.
Finish first.
No.
Finish the food first.
I need a cupcake.
And si Kana, ma. Favorite ni Chris.
Long time. No have.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Is this after 9?
Yeah. I might want to check and see if they're out there.
Want to check the... Okay.
Go check real quick.
This cheese.
I-check mo na ni Christiana yung aming neighbor kasi nga bibigyan niya ng regalo yung kaibigan niya. What do you want?
More?
Are you on the salad? Okay. Salad na?
Then this one. Is there salad? Oh.
Okay. You done with that?
No, right outside.
You're
What?
not outside yet? Okay.
After you're done eating, you can bring.
You can use this one, honey.
Hopefully they're there.
I will eat this, CJ. Kainin ko?
Ito, mommy.
You-
Salad.
You're welcome. I will eat this or you're done? You want more?
Oh.
Oh, you're finished? Okay. Ako lang kakain sa tira ni CJ. Sayang. Gusto na niya mag-salad. Good? Mm. Oldie ang kainan nito.
Mistake.
Good? Right, okay. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you, CJ. fancy. Oh, spaghetti na. Nag-dessert na sila. Oh, tahimik. Wow, Daddy mixed the spaghetti and the pancit.
Good.
Hinalo ni Chris. What do you want, TJ? Too much? Too much? Nothing. Okay, boy. Mm-hmm. Eat on. You have more water. Mm. You want strawberry? Yeah, that's a kaong. Kaong. Filipino kaong. Filipino kaong. Good, good. You want some more? More? You want this? Macaroni? No? Okay. Busog na lang. Ako na ang mag-macaroni. You want more? Excuse me. Say thank you, Lord. You're welcome. Kishana. Kishana. You want some more food?
No.
No, that's enough. We don't do that to your plate, okay? Bebe. Bebe, give it to me. Basta sobrang yummy. Sisi, agoy-agoy ano.
Wipe your face.
Wipe your face because we're gonna sing happy birthday. We will sing a happy birthday, okay?
Yay!
I will put it, wait. Ayun mga kaibigan, oh, mag-sing na ng happy birthday, mag-dessert na. Okay, I want you to sit down in there. Okay, sit down. Mag-dessert na. No, ako na kayo magulabasa. We're gonna sing. Daddy, come here, Daddy. We'll sing. We're gonna sing happy birthday to Papa Jesus, okay? Because it's Papa Jesus. Yes, honey pie, yeah. Don't blow yet, okay? Krishana. Krishana. Come on, wait lang. We're gonna sing. Yes. Yes, over there. I know, I
Can
see
we have how many we want for our cupcakes?
it. Okay.
CJ.
CJ, we're gonna sing first to Papa Jesus. Okay, let's sing. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papa Jesus. Happy birthday to you.
Good job.
Good
Yay.
job. Yay. Okay, pick what you like.
Yes.
Good. Okay, put the candle there.
Yes.
Get one what you like for now. Oh, you want pink?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Here's your plate.
Mm-mm.
What
Play with
happened?
the lighter.
Bills.
Oh, give me the light.
Bills.
Here's your plate, bud.
Bills.
Hmm?
Bills.
What?
Bills.
You guys saw the same pink. Okay.
Mom,
Yes, honey.
can I have another pink after I finish this?
So you're gonna have a second one, and then later we're gonna save it, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Because too much sugar, not good. What do you want, bud?
Bills. Give me a bills.
Spoon. Okay, spoon pala. Spoon.
No.
Okay. Oh, you got the vanilla, Goy. You can have the chocolate. You're gonna have vanilla and the chocolate. Are you gonna do the same? The same? Oh, this is mine. Hindi na nila kinain. Macaroni cake na. Cake na.
No, cupcake.
Cupcake.
Mm.
They love the icing. There. Balatan ko dong, be. I got the wrapper.
No.
You got the wrapper?
No.
No? Okay.
Really?
Finish that first, then you're gonna have the other one. You like the macaroni, Dada?
It's good.
Dada cannot love the macaroni salad. You're done? Busog na si Goy Goy.
Oh no!
That's okay, honey. When you finish, then you can get another one.
You're gonna let them have two?
Two, yeah. And that's it. We'll save for later.
Why? No.
Nawa na si CJ.
Need more?
Finish.
Finish the cake. Finish the cupcake. You still have more, look. Look, there's a cake. Icing lang ang kinakain eh. Icing lang ang kinakain nila. Don't hold you. Eat muna sa cake. Then you can have next. Mabusog na ako dito sa
Hey!
macaroni.
No.
You didn't take the cake?
I got that water.
You want the chocolate cake?
Say, need more?
Okay, I have this one.
Like chocolate.
Okay. Baby, you hand me the one chocolate, please.
One. Yeah. You don't have pink.
No more pinky.
Oh. After we eat, can I give Riley her gift?
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
Let's go.
The candle?
Oh, there.
It's right here. Oh, the spoon. Did you like icing?
You don't want my cupcake.
Give it to Daddy.
What?
You can eat it.
She's full.
Yeah, you can eat
Busog na si Agoy-Agoy.
it.
Oh, yung ilong mo.
Mom, can I give Riley her gifts now?
Sure.
First, I did check outside.
Yung ilong mo, boy. O, dun, mayroong ano.
I'm gonna check outside.
Pati ilong ni si Gina, punta ang... Yummy.
Mommy, love. Mommy, love.
Oops.
It's too late.
Why?
I had to give the present.
You give the present
The
now.
car going?
Your-
Yes.
The car is gone?
Yeah. This Riley's mom's car.
Go, knock in the door. Maybe the...
Oh, the mom's car there?
Yeah. You should be right there. Just do the doorbell. Just do the doorbell.
I told no.
Riley's mom's car there?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
That's been there when you're outside.
Good, they might have went to church.
You always use that big car. Yung batuta, mga kaibigan, oh. Icing nga ang gusto, oh. Icing. Sana masaya po inyong Pasko dyan. Nakasimba na ba ang lahat? Maaga kami nagsimba, mga kaibigan.
Yep, too late.
They're not there?
No, her car's not there. That's what she was trying to say.
I'm not your car.
Ah.
I'm not yours.
I'm sure they were back. Maybe they went to church.
Yeah. Yeah. Can I have my gummies?
Go, you just have your cake. The gummy will save that later. We don't want you too much sugar.
Can I just have one gummy? Maybe more? Just one.
No, CJ, that's enough.
Are you sure, huh?
Oh. Yes, I'm sure.
Ask Daddy first. Ask Dada.
Dad, can I have one gummy?
You can have all of them.
Okay.
Yeah, she can have all of them, but you wait. She's gonna be...
You're gonna be pooping bears.
Pooping bears? Can we just...
She's gonna be hyper.
Oh. What's hyper mean?
Because you already have icing. Your face na. Wipe here. Eat the cake, buddy. Eat the cake. Yeah.
Hey, try. Take
Hmm?
more.
More? That's all, huh? That's the last one, okay?
And he has a mustache.
So, so you got a mustache.
Open it. Give it. No.
You would open it like this?
Dad, stop!
Like this, like this. Bite. Get a bite.
That is my...
Two.
No,
Two.
Daddy!
Two.
Oh, now,
Dad.
Kishana.
That's it. I'm gonna put the top.
Kishana, she said she only need one.
Well, she got two.
Give CG one. Give CG one, then
No,
put it in the
it's
cabinet.
mine.
One for CJ?
Hindi na inubos.
Yeah. It's
You
more
can have it
than
some for later, but not, just not put too much right now at one time.
All right, that's it. Let's put
You
it
already
away
have sweets.
and have some later. The top's not gonna stay on. You're gonna lose them. Look, the top's loose.
Put na cabinet niya.
Mommy, no! Mommy, no!
Your face, be. Sus, na puro ng icing doon. Okay, wash your
Are
hands na.
you done?
I want you to sit down if you want strawberry. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. How many you want strawberry? Put in the plate. Plato. Okay, finish the three first. Finish first, then add more. Okay? Tayo ang taga-ubos sa mga tira sa Chikiting. Mabubusog na tayo sa mga tira nila. Diba? Guys, Gigi is not done eating yet. Guy?
More? Are you done yet?
You want that?
Peter, are you done yet?
Not yet.
Are you?
Guy, he's still eating.
Peter, ready to watch the TV?
Kumain ka ng prutas. Sit down, balik yung mahulog. That's good. Eating fruits. Eating fruits is Gigi. Juicy.
Peter, are you done yet? Oh, no.
Now he's done.
Daddy, TV on TV.
It's done. Hello mga kaibigan, maligayang Pasko. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Ingat po kayo. Salamat sa pagsama nyo sa amin ngayon. At sana ay maganda kasama niyong pamilya. Mahal sa buhay sa pag-celebrate ng Kapaskuhan. Salamat po. Ingat po kayong lahat. Magandang araw, magandang gabi. Bye-bye.